I don't have the time, bro, I don't wear a watch. I'ma move regardless, just like the clock. Been around here before, I've been on this block. 25 to life bit, I live on this rock. Planet Mars, dog, my planet raw. Took trips and landed far. Took hits I can't ignore. My chest got a black hole. I dealt with a black crow. White dove, a black soul.
So I know a lot of you guys are wondering what the hell is going on right now. This video might come out before the taking delivery of video, but I just want to say, do not know, those of you who don't follow me on Instagram won't know. Picked up a bike and I figured I'd take it out tonight for some nighttime spinning things. I'm already at the part where I'm closing it out, so I'll just dig into the cuts of me actually driving the bike. Hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, comments down below. This is a CB300R 2020 by Honda, one of the cheap entry level. When I say cheap, I mean lower costing entry level options from Honda. So this is new. You guys know me for BMWs, and I mean, I know myself for just cars in general, and this is totally different. Totally different. I'm gonna learn a lot, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. We can learn a lot together. This is something that I've been wanting for years, something I wanted to do for years. I'm not buying it to just become rich off YouTube. I don't think that's gonna happen, simply because I know a lot about cars, not bikes. But I figured if I'm gonna buy a little toy for myself, why not share it with you guys as well? So thank you guys for tuning in. Super shout out to all my slow speeders. Hopefully we pick up some new ones. Slow speeders bike life type shit, who knows. But if you guys have not subscribed, definitely subscribe now. Like this video and comment down below. We're gonna get into night clips of the CB300R. I got a lot going on, bro. A lot going on. My mind is like, this is so new to me, bro. Really so new to me. I've never really ridden a bike this much, honestly. So bear with me. I'll give you guys a walk around of the bike at night, because I totally forgot to do that. I'm getting back into my vlog and style now that I'm off the bike. We're gonna talk about it. It's a lot going on with this bike, but I will do a walk around and at night of what the bike looks like, and I'll turn it off and I'll talk to you guys a little bit. The most important parts, honestly, to get, most important parts are the lights. These things look badass. These are low beams, and high beams are on the bottom. You have a flash button too, flash the. Let me turn the bike off. So one interesting thing about the bike is, well, I don't know if all bikes like that. It's my first bike I ever owned, but the signal lights stay on in the front with the headlight, which is pretty weird. I don't know, maybe it's, I guess, more rider presence or whatever. The exhaust right now is stock, is really quiet. Sounds kind of mopedish. I'll post videos further, or more videos going on about the exhaust and stuff like that. I'm just still trying to get everything. This is a lot. This is a lot. Yeah, am I happy about the bike? Hell yeah, I'm happy about the bike. This might be video number 2. However, I am filming it first. I didn't film the rest of the taking the delivery of, because a lot of stuff went on. I'll talk to you guys about that maybe tomorrow, or yesterday, and today is today, whatever. Just wanted to get outside, go for a little ride, and because I am actually taking this bike to work tomorrow, because the BMW is still at European Auto getting serviced. So this should be fun and scary at the same time. I'll have a little more clothing on. Right now I have nothing over the arms, and this Empire Boys shirt, while it does look nice, it's not completely bulletproof or road rash proof. So randomly parked over here, found some light, so I figured, why not get out the car, do some talking. First highway run at night, actually it's a little bit more peaceful than you think. Once I dial in banging through the gears, you know, my mind is thinking of so much, like, don't let the bike jerk and you might drop, and when you hit a bump it's a little scary in the beginning, but you get used to it. Like I said, later on I'll buy gear, so hopefully that'll I don't know, make me feel a little more comfortable. But right now I feel extremely uncomfortable, kind of even filming for you guys. I'm a little shaky. I feel extremely uncomfortable on the bike. So yeah, I think it's just nerves. I like it. I love the bike. I put like 12 miles on it already. I just took it out today around like noon. Just had to give you guys a little clip of how the bike drives at night. Please do not laugh at me for going through the gears crooked or whatever the case may be. Forgot these my signal lights sometimes. A lot of little things to get used to. that being said, it's a very, very nice bike. I'll give you guys a walkthrough, and we're gonna film this whole type process of me learning how to ride a bike. Mike from Slow Speed, peace out.